The Active Trader program was created by David Bowden, an Australian trader famous for publishing accurate market forecasts, often up to 12 months in advance. David's success came after deciphering the work of W.D. Gann, an American trader from the early 1900s. The Active Trader program consists of 2 courses, the Smarter Starter Pack and the Number 1 Trading Plan, which contain detailed lessons built on David's own research and success in the markets across 15 years. Each course includes a hardcover manual, video lessons, wall charts for you to study, and exercises for you to complete. This course will guide you through a process of understanding how markets actually work and give you the tools David used to trade them with safety. The program requires a commitment of time to study the materials and complete the exercises. To successfully apply these techniques, you'll need to do more than simply read the manuals. You'll need to work through the exercises and spend some time paper trading before you're ready to start trading with real money. So why do the work? After mastering the lessons, you'll be able to identify market trends and turning points and trade them with safety. You'll know how and where to get into the market, how to protect your capital with stop losses, where to take your profits, and how to manage your money. We've taught thousands of traders over the past 30 years how to trade using David's techniques. Regardless of whether you've been trading for years or have never traded before, the Active Trader program will give you a series of tools that will help you to trade any financial market with safety, whether you plan to trade shares, foreign exchange, commodities, or CFDs. For more information, click on the link to visit our website.